Hello everyone, in this video we'll try to solve a DI set and this is a PassCat question. So the question is table 1 shows the comparative costs in US dollars of major surgeries in USA and a select few Asian countries. So this is table 1. We have these surgeries: heart bypass, heart valve replacement, angioplasty, hip replacement. All these are surgeries. Comparative cost in USA and some Asian countries in US dollars. So we have been given the cost of these surgeries in USA, India, Thailand, Singapore and Malaysia. All these costs, they are in US dollars. Then a consulting firm found that the quality of the health services were not the same in all the countries above. A poor quality of a surgery may have significant repercussions in future, resulting in more cost in correcting mistakes. The cost of poor quality of a surgery is given in table 3 below. So this is table 3. Here we have all these surgeries and comparative cost in USA and some Asian countries in US dollars. So these are the cost if a surgery is poorly done, then to correct it, these are the costs incurred in different countries for these different surgeries. We have one more table over here. The equivalent of US dollar in the local currencies is given in table 2 below. So in India, 1 US dollar is equal to these many rupees. In Malaysia, 1 US dollar is equal to 3.51 ringgits. And same for Thailand and Singapore as well. Let us read the questions. The first question is: a US citizen is hurt in an accident and requires an angioplasty, hip replacement and a knee replacement. Okay, so these are the 3 surgeries that he requires. Cost of foreign travel and stay is not a consideration since the government will take care of it. We do not have to take care of the cost of travel. Which country will result in the cheapest package taking cost of poor quality into account? So we have to take care of the cost that is incurred while doing a surgery, and we also have to take into account the cost of poor quality. That means if the surgery is poorly done, then there was some cost given to us to correct those mistakes. So that is a US citizen. He has to check which country is offering the cheapest package. So we'll remember these are the 3 surgeries required: angioplasty, hip replacement and knee replacement. So I'll write them over here: angioplasty, hip replacement and knee replacement. These are the surgeries required. So if we talk about USA first, then we have to take into account angioplasty, hip replacement and knee replacement. If I add the cost, so 57,000 plus 43,000 plus 40,000 from the first table. So in US it will be 57 plus 43 plus 40, and we have to take into account the poor quality cost as well. So in USA, all the cost of poor quality surgery, they are 0. That means they don't charge anything. So this will be equal to 100, 140k. All these values are in thousands, okay? $1,000. Then if we check it for the another country, say India, it is 11,000 plus 9,000 plus 8500. So for India, it is 11 plus 9 plus 8.5k. We also have to take into account the poor quality cost as well. So angioplasty, hip replacement and knee replacement, we'll add 5 plus 7 plus 9 for India, which gives us 12 plus 9, 21. So this will give us a total of 49.5. Similarly, I'll check it for one more country and then you can do it by yourself. If we check it for Thailand here, then for Thailand the cost of these surgeries is 13 plus 12 plus 10, which gives us 35,000, and for correction it is 5 plus 5 plus 6, that means 16, which gives us 51,000. So similarly you can find it out for all the countries Singapore and Malaysia. At last you will see that for Malaysia the total cost of surgery as well as this poor quality cost, it would be equal to $47,000, which would be the cheapest of all. So correct answer to the first question would be Malaysia, option C. Let's try to solve the next question. Taking the cost of poor quality into account, which country or countries will be the most expensive for knee replacement? So we again have to take care of the poor quality cost, and now we have to only care about the knee replacement surgery. So knee replacement is over here. So we'll be checking it for US, India, then Thailand, Singapore and Malaysia. If we check it for US, then in US knee replacement cost is 40,000 and 0 cost for poor quality, so 40,000. In India it is 8.5k and 9 for this correction. So 8.5 plus 9 is 17.5k dollars. In Thailand it would be 10,000 here, and here it is 6, so 16.5. In Singapore it would be 13,000 plus 4, that means 17,000. In Malaysia it is 8,000 plus 4, which gives us 12,000. The question was asking us about the most expensive knee replacement surgery and taking poor cost into account. So it is costliest is, in the options we only have India, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, not USA. We calculated for USA it was the maximum, but since USA is not in the options, second costliest would be answer. It would be India. India is 7.5, so option A will be the correct answer. Let's try to solve the third question now. Approximately what difference in amount in bahts will it make to a Thai citizen if she were to get a hysterectomy done in India instead of in her native country, taking into account the cost of poor quality? It costs 7500 bahts for one-way travel between Thailand and India. So we have to consider this as well, the cost for traveling. We have to take into account cost of poor quality as well, and then hysterectomy in India. So if she is a Thai citizen, we'll find out the cost in Thailand and we'll find out the cost in India, then we'll find out the difference. So we'll check the cost of hysterectomy. This is hysterectomy. Here we have hysterectomy in India and in Thailand, and then we'll find out the difference in cost. So if we find out the cost of hysterectomy in India, then it is 3,000 from the first table, and poor quality cost is 5. So 3 plus 5, 8,000. And in Thailand it is how much? 4.5k from here and 6, that means 10.5k. In the question we have been asked what difference in amount in bahts will it make it to a Thai citizen. So we have to convert, this is everything in US dollars, okay? We have to convert this into bahts and then we'll find out the difference. We can clearly see that this citizen, Thai citizen, has to pay 2.5k more in Thailand, and this is in US dollars. 2.5k, that means 2500 US dollars. If I convert it into bahts, then we'll multiply it by 32.89, so 32.89. In the question there's a word approximately, so we can assume this 32.89 as 33 as well. So this would be equal to 82225, these many bahts. But now in the question we were also given that she is also paying 7500 bahts for one-way travel between Thailand and India. So if that citizen comes to India, she will have to pay 15,000 bahts in total, because she'll pay 7500 for coming to India and 7500 to return from India, and this is in bahts. So now we can reduce this difference by 15,000 bahts. So if we reduce it by 15,000, we'll be getting 67,225 bahts. So which option is close to this? 67,500. This is the closest option, so option D will be the correct answer here. Let's try to solve the next question now. The rupee value increased to rupees 35 for a US dollar, and all other things including quality remain the same. What is the approximate difference in cost in US dollars between Singapore and India for a spinal fusion, taking this change into account? So first of all we will find out the cost of this surgery in Singapore. Then since the rupee value has increased to rupees 35, we'll find out what is the new cost in US dollars for this spinal fusion surgery in India. Then we'll find out the difference between those two costs. So we have to take into consideration India and Singapore. We are talking about spinal fusion surgery. In the fourth question there was no mention about the poor quality cost, so we won't be taking any data from this table. We can see that earlier the price of this Indian rupee against a dollar, it was around 41 rupees. Now it has become 35 rupees. In Singapore the cost of this spinal fusion surgery, it was how much? 9,000. So in Singapore it was 9,000, and now in India the currency has become stronger. So earlier in rupees it was 5500 into 41. I am taking this approx value 41 from the table. Now per dollar it has become 35, and these two costs in rupees must be same. So let me assume that we need X dollars now in India for this surgery. So these two quantities must be equal. X will be equal to 5500 into 41 by 35, which will give us a value roughly around 6500. So $6500 is the new cost of spinal fusion surgery in India. So what is the difference between India and Singapore in dollars? For this surgery it is 9,000 minus 6500, that is $2500. Where is this 6500 coming from? See, earlier we were paying $5500. Every dollar was equal to 41 rupees. Now every dollar is costing 35 rupees, so we'll need the same cost, but now in dollars it will change. So it will be somewhere around $6500. If you find out the difference between Singapore and India, it is $2500. 2500 will be the correct answer to this last question, option B. So that's it. I hope the explanation is understood. First three questions were very easy. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thanks.